Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making my version of Popeyes' amazing chicken sandwich. You will need 3 small chicken breasts, 3 cups of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1½ tablespoons of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, canola oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, brioche buns, mayonnaise, and dill chip pickles. Enclose your chicken in plastic wrap, then using a meat mallet, pound until you achieve 1/2 thickness. To your chicken, add the buttermilk, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, and hot sauce. Mix well, then cover and transfer to the refrigerator and allow it to sit for at least 8 hours. In a separate dish, combine the flour and cornstarch. Now season with the onion powder, white pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and remaining 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix well, then set it aside until later. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Now lightly toast your buns, then remove them and set them aside. After 8 hours, remove the chicken from the refrigerator, then dredge in the flour mixture and set them on a wire rack. Preheat the oil to 325 degrees. Then fry your chicken until it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees and an external coating that is crispy and golden. Remove the chicken from the oil, then place on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Assemble your sandwich, and then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.